Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate passive income with Cash App. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To activate passive income with Cash App, start by downloading the app if you haven't already. Open the Cash App on your mobile device. Sign in or create an account if you're a new user. Once logged in, navigate to the home screen. Look for the Investing tab at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the Investing tab to access investment options. To begin earning, consider purchasing stocks or Bitcoin. Select the asset you'd like to invest in. Follow the prompts to enter the amount you want to invest. Confirm your purchase to finalize the transaction. Next, explore the Cash App's Bitcoin feature for passive income opportunities. Go to the Bitcoin tab from the home screen. Choose Buy to acquire Bitcoin. Decide on the amount you'd like to purchase and confirm the transaction. After acquiring Bitcoin, hold on to it to potentially benefit from its appreciation. Consider enabling direct deposit into your Cash App account. Navigate to the Banking tab and select Direct Deposit. Follow the instructions to set up your direct deposit with your employer. Monitor your investment performance regularly. Explore Cash App's Cash Card for cashback rewards on purchases. Use your Cash Card for regular transactions to earn cashback. Regularly reassess your investment strategy and adjust as necessary. Stay informed about market trends to maximize your passive income potential. Remember, investing comes with risks, so only invest what you can afford to lose. With these steps, you can start your journey towards building passive income with Cash App. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.